Mama! Mama! Okay, Mama, who is chasing your daddy's horse? Okay. Good news. What news?
I passed my skills out.
Hey! Are you serious? Hey! Hey! Oh, God, look at you. Jehovah, oh, God, look at you. Oh, Tonto. Oh! Congratulations. At least you made me proud. All the hunger I was using to train you is not in vain. You know what? Take this thing now. Go and put it under the bed. Don't keep it where a rat will eat it. No termites. They'll always be crawling. See them? You go and eat it. Then tomorrow, early morning, you go and look for where you start working for now. But this one is a qualification on its own. You will be all. Oh, Mom. Oh?
Mama. Okay. When will I have time to study for my UTM?
What is that one? What is UTM?
JAMB. Exam that will qualify me to gain admission to university.
Angry.
Mama.
Is this one ambition or aspiration, high hopes? Who told you you're going to the university? See, what you should be focused on now is how to get a good husband that will change your life for good. You've gone enough. School start, oh. Hey! How about standard 6? School start. What is Mama?
Mama, I'm not ready to get married though.
Nobody gets married when they are ready. It's when you see a man, you'll be ready. Now you want to go to the university. How do you want to get a sponsor? Have you forgotten how hard it has been since your father died? And your brother went away. Don't know. He left without a trace anywhere. Now you want to go to school. How will I do it? Is it from the petty trading? Buy plantain, sell it as a ripe plantain. Buy oil from the mill, try to sell it small. Is it what I will use to train in a university? Biko, let's not go through this.
Mama, why are you saying all these things now? I want to go to the university.
When I said you should get married, it's not entering into your ears. In your mind now, you say, I'm not up to the age. When I was this your age, I was already pregnant with you. So when a woman sees a man to marry her, is when she's ready to get married. You don't know with this one. Any man that is coming to marry you will be ready. School start, is it or bomo? Ejimone? Go inside and cook. I'm hungry. I don't want to eat this dinner late.
Mama, I want to go to the university. I want to go to school.
Cook first. Everybody wants to go to school. And I got dreams. Dreaming is allowed. Actualizing it, or you can allowed. You have school start. Instead of you to be happy, you want money? See how I'm suffering to see you through this secondary school. And you passed. You should be happy. School start. Is it not the wire people have now? It's Obokeja. Ajimia. If I had it by now, I'd be going to Cotonou and coming back, buying everything to come and sell, because I would have been enlightened. Can I swear standard 6 no longer working. You will cook fast, let me eat. Nonsense.
If not for the presence of his brother, Ejiofor almost killed his father that day.
Wait, Mama Vero. Are you telling me that what brought you to my shop is to tell me about Ejiofor and family troubles?
No. I have pains all over my body. My head, my waist, everywhere.
Don't worry, in that case.
Talk.
Don't worry, in that case. I will give you some pain relief. And I will also advise you. you will also consider talking less because of your mouth. Yes. Secondly, you will go to hospital and meet a certified doctor. Obronke na gagari from this one to that one. Je unogu ke check ke na garo.
Hospital. Certified doctor.
Yes.
Under this economy, where will I get the money from now?
See, let me tell you, health is wealth. Obunema. Constant checkup in the hospital will make you look good. Okay, the look than all this, and it will not bring ugly situation.
I will wait until your son comes back, becomes a doctor, and come back to check me up.
In that case, no problem. But I hope you know how long it will take my son to come out. That after university, he will go to medical school. Are you going to wait until that time?
I'll wait. I'll wait. No matter how long it takes, until he comes back. Unlike a Jofwa who is busy fighting his family. But your son is here making all of us proud. I will wait until he becomes a medical doctor and he will come check me up. He will be checking me up all the time.
No problem. In that case, let me keep all these drugs now. You don't need them. Mama Vero, in that case, I will miss some drugs for you now that you will take. And make sure you did not miss any of the dosage.
I won't. Papa doctor, I won't.
Uzoma, my son. How are you? You are home? You never mentioned to me that you are coming. Okay. Is anything the matter?
Everything is fine, Papa. I just
Just what?
My school is on strike.
Again?
Yes.
Wait, so you say you are home now?
Yes, Papa. I saw the key where we used to keep it.
It's alright. I will be with you soon. Let me just lock up the shop. Alright. I'm coming. Strike. If I got Bozenka. You see, when that boy was running around the village, playing pranks on people and causing problems, his father turned a blind eye. Instead of him going to school like other parents, he was busy causing wahala. And when people like us spoke, telling his father, why not work on this boy? Help this boy, put him in school. You know what he did? He started threatening us with all the deities in his ancestors. Now, the rope dog has attacked the owner.
Honestly, who would have thought a Joffa will turn out this way?
Oh.
He used to be a soft-spoken kid.
My son, that was yesterday, like you said. Who knows? He has turned to be another thing. But I will not stop thanking God for helping me to keep to my vow I made to your mother before she died. You see, God has been there for me, helping me to make sure you go to school and graduate, despite all the fees I paid in your first year. Thank God you are now in your last year.
Yes, Papa. Yes, Papa. And I want to personally appreciate you for everything you've done for me so far with your little resources. God will bless you, Papa. God will bless you.
But my son, let me be frank to you. The only appreciation I want from you is for you to come out with first grades, graduate, and become somebody in the society. I think that is all I want.
It's okay, Papa. I will not disappoint you, yes. I'll do my best. I'll do my best.
It's all right. Yeah. So when are they going to call it off? I mean the strike.
Oh, okay. The strike, yes. I have no idea. Yes, I have no idea, but should I bring more food?
No. I'm okay.
Okay.
What a day. That is, you just made me to remember your mother.
Oh,
honestly.
Yes.
This is how she used to cook delicious soup. I think you did very well.
Thank you, Papa. Yes. Thank you. So I have to clear the table.
Yes, Papa. Yes. Wait. Why are you rushing? I hope all is well.
All is well, Papa. All is well.
I'm happy for you. Your parents are willing to see you through school. What my mother knows is talk about husband, marriage, bride price, and I'm tired. It's not funny. I'm tired of it.
I know, and I'm so sorry. But come to think of it, what's your boyfriend saying about it?
You want me to get a cheap job so I can contribute in home to pass time?
No wonder he's in such a hurry to trade you in.
You can imagine.
Well, my friend, I will advise you to go into skill. Go and learn something.
I have thought about that, but I will find work. I will.
Anyway, I wish you good luck.
Please, I want you to keep in touch because I'm going to miss you.
I will. And I will miss you too. I will miss you, serious.
I'll miss you. Okay.
Well, let me go home now. My mother will be looking for me.
Okay. Bye.
All right, see you.
Bye-bye.
Uzoma, I hope all is well.
Papa, there is something I want to tell you.
Go ahead, I'm all ears.
I know there is not the right place or the right time to say it, but I just have to say it so that you don't keep hoping on what will never come. I'm sorry, Papa. I know I disappointed you, but it wasn't intentional. I didn't mean to. My school is not on strike.
What? How do you mean? Okay, what brought you home?
I was rusticated.
What? How?
Cultism.
Hey, whoa. Hey! Call to what?
You're welcome. Hey, I'm happy. She's back. Here she comes. Nne, see who came to see you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Yes, she's exactly how you say she is.
I told you.
And even more.
Oh, what the fresh. Even in the nothing has dropped.
Mama, who is this man?
Is that the right thing to do? Is it not for you to come and hug him, welcome him, before you all these your questions? Am I in a lockout?
So, my dear, I want you to know that I'm going to take very good care of you. In fact, after our third child, I'm going to send you back to the university and you study any course of your choice. Yes.
I don't understand.
What is difficult to understand here? This fine man here, rich man, wants to marry you and has proposed to you. And look at his comment. He said after the third child, he will send you to the university you have always dreamed to go. And it's a good one. At least he did not forsake you. He said you should still go to the university.
Mama, 3 children. Mama?
Exactly. When he must have brought down this engine, Butoya very well. So that anybody that sees you in the university will know that you're drop 3. Or you want somebody to be eating his food and be bringing unwanted children in the house. No, it's better for the man to register his presence in your body and in the children production. He don't know that you are his own fully.
Mr. Man.
Mr. Mba.
Mr. Mba, I don't know the arrangement that you have with my mother. I am not ready for marriage. If I were, I will not consider someone like you.
Obunsi? Obunsi? Why won't you consider?
I thought you said she will accept.
Don't be angry. You know, oh Mercy. Don't be angry. Don't worry. I will put her right. It's for me to convince her. It's not for you to convince her. It is me.
I feel insulted.
Don't feel
And in fact, I'm living here right now.
She's a child. She spoke like a child. You should forgive her. Open my kid and take it serious. Don't you know when a woman says no, it means yes?
I feel insulted. And I'm living here right now.
Hey. What is wrong with this girl? See the man that is ready to send her to the university, gonna turn her down. Angorika! Angori!
Mama, nothing is wrong with me. I am not ready to be sold out to the highest bidder, like a cow.
See, money. When last did you see this kind of amount of money near me? All I want you to do is to marry this man, and all our problems are solved. Where you go? Hey! Now, this one is drawing me. So I own this one now.
Mama, I want to ask you something. Have you asked me what I want? Do you know whether I love this man?
He's talking about love. I loved your father. I ended up dying as a drunk. Yes, look at us now. I don't even have your brother. I don't have your father. We are here suffering, struggling, and somebody has given me this and promising to give more.
Mama, I want to ask you a question. Why are you so desperate to get rid of me?
Get rid of you? How? I am not getting rid of you. You are my daughter. I want the best for you. You will be my daughter till I die. Which one are you getting rid of?
Mama, don't I have a choice in all of this? Eh? After all, this is my life.
There is no time for childishness. The earlier you wake up from all this, the better for you. I want this bundle from your so-called husband every morning. Money is life. Money answers all things. If I had this money, by now I would have been swimming in money in the university. So better wake up. If you cry, you have failed. Whether you cry or not, you will marry.
I will not marry that man. You will not force me. You will not force me to marry him.
Hi. Here you go. Hey.
Oh my God, my world has crumbled. My day has turned to darkness. My life has cut short. All because I want to live like others. Myself or my mother, I don't know who to blame. Somebody please tell me.
Papa. Papa.
What is it? Huh?
For the food now. Food is ready. Should I bring it?
I'm not hungry.
Why are you doing this?
Sit down. Sit down.
You've not had anything to eat since morning.
Sit down.
Eat something now, Papa.
Sit down. Tom, there's something I've been wanting to ask you. Since you have returned home, what plans do you have for your life?
I've been thinking. Yes, I've been thinking, though I haven't come up with something, but I am on it. I am on it.
You're on it?
Yes.
All my pension down the drain.
I'm sorry now. I am sorry.
You are sorry. Of what use is you being sorry at this time? Do you know that this is my first time of being glad that your mother is not alive? To witness all this your foolishness. Tell me, what would have been your mother's fate if she were to be alive? After all my promise and vow to make sure I see you through school, in Odeba now some need sorry.
I am sorry. I'm sorry.
Papa Doctor! Good afternoon, no. Hey! I needed some medicine, but your store was locked, which is strange by this time of the day. I decided to come and find out if you are well. Doctor, welcome. Oh. I knew it was you I saw yesterday night, but it was very late for me to see clearly. I guess I must have come at a bad time. I have to go. I'll come back later. Eh? Bye-bye. You.
Oh my God, my world has crumbled. My day has turned to darkness. want to live like others.
This one is good under the sun.
Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? Mr. Mba just called. That you never visited like you promised. Where did you go?
Mama, like I promised. I did not promise anything. Moreover, I went to look for a job.
What? Amonika, what is wrong with you? A fine chief, rich man is asking for your hand in marriage. And you're going to look for a job. What other job is bigger than marriage? Don't you know that marriage alone is a big job? Without having your children, you take care of your children, you take care of your husband. If you have a mother-in-law, you take care of her. It's enough work. In fact, it's a full hand work.
Mama, I am not in the mood for all this.
Okay.
Hey? I am tired and hungry. Mama, did you cook anything? When you see?
I cooked your head. In fact, I roasted and cooked it so that you have more sense in your head. Mama, can you give me? I use money to buy it. Chief gave me money and I bought it. You want to drink? In a joke, man, you don't want it yet, you want to eat from his money.
I will not still marry him.
It's not for you to say, I'm going to. Yes, I'm going to. Can go to Zobome in peace.
I knew this news is not going to go well with him. Like, this is serious.
My father is angry with me. I understand him. No, he has not been going to the shop. I've been offered to help him mind the shop for some time. He won't talk to me or accept. And my father is really not happy, and I feel bad. I might just go back to the city.
Well, I think that's not a bad idea, but at this point, I don't think you need to do that. You come on, give your father some time to get over this.
Dozier, I feel bad. I feel really bad.
Doctor! Thank God I found you here. I've been searching for you all over the place. As I went to see your father because I've not been seeing him open the shop for a long time. I saw him groaning in pains.
You saw who in pain?
Your father lying by the door, groaning in pains.
My father in pain?
Your father!
Dozier.
Your father.
Just hold on now, let me follow you. Hold on.
Hey! My tummy. Hey! My tummy. Where is that? Where is that? Hey! Uzoma! Hey, what? Hey! Papa, please. Papa, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry, please. What happened on here? Hey! Papa! Please, help me. Let's take him to the hospital. Help me, please. Let's take him to the hospital.
How get you? Hey!
Papa, sorry.
Hey!
Mama, bear, please. Help me, please.
Oh my God, my world has cut short, all because I want to live like.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. What do you want?
Sir, I saw a vacancy for sales girl.
Have you done this kind of job before?
No, sir. Yes, sir. No, I haven't.
Which one is not? Yeah.
I used to help my mother to sell akara every evening.
Oh, okay. Oh, what are you working with?
Sir?
I mean, turn around. Let me see what you're working with. Yes. I pay 16,000. If you're ready to do the job, you can start today.
You don't need my CV.
I have screened you and you passed the exams. You can start the work if you're interested to start today. Just start, do something. Back the table. Start sweeping.
You mean I should start work now?
Now, yes.
So I have the job.
You have the job. The job is yours.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. The job is yours.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. So I should start now?
Start packing chairs. Go to the backyard, sweep. Do something.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
The doctor advised that he takes a lot of rest, and he's resting. He's resting at home.
Well, that's a good idea. I think he needs you now more than ever. And you can make it up to him by helping out in the shop.
Oh yes, it will help me too. It will help me get my mind off the past and clear my head on where my future is headed.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. That's a good idea.
Man, I really appreciate for everything. Thanks for the help.
Oh my God, my world has crumbled. My day has turned to nothingness. My life has cut short, all because I want to live like others.
Hey, doctor, good morning.
Good morning.
So nice to have you back.
Strangely, I am glad to see you too, Mama Vero.
Good morning, Mama Vero.
Good morning, our one and only doctor.
Haba.
There's nothing to harbor about. Certificate or no certificate, 6 years in the university is not child's play. Eh? Destiny can only be
Amen. Amen. What can we do for you?
Hey, doctor. This my waist, it's been so painful. That's why I'm here.
Okay, you need drugs for waist pain. Papa, where is that
boy? See that man? Man is like the fuck up. That boy talking to me.
Good afternoon.
Madam.
What can I do for you?
Give up on wine now.
On wine?
It's sweet, ba?
Eh?
It's sweet.
Like it's sweet.
Confirm. They give. What is good fine? See our nipple.
See this band.
What about her?
I must say she's the most prettiest girl I've set my eyes on in this village.
Toze, how many girls will you bestow same title on? Eh? Choma, Oloma, Chichi. The list is long.
This is different. I know what I'm saying. This girl is just like an angel. Look at her now.
She's beautiful, yes?
Yeah, now
She has good shape. I like her shape.
I told you.
And her complexion too. She's very... So, what do you think? What's on your mind?
I will tell her that she's one of the prettiest ladies I've ever set my eyes on in this village. That I like her and I want to marry her this Saturday.
Don't say. Nah.
Yes, now.
Eh? Okay, go ahead, say that. I'd like to hear her response.
But yeah, now they won't give me for that demo. They remember that in the pay. Now 15K be now. 50. But I will give 50 to account. Now you want better. No. Bro, see how your hand is shaking. What's up with this job?
Where?
What?
Full on.
What about drink now? How you want buy? Pop.
Which response? You know you be the one to do the talking for me now.
How?
Normally now, just tell her that, the first time I set my eyes on her, I love her more than the whistle soup I used to eat. Just tell her like that.
Listen to me, bros. If you like this girl, walk up to her and tell her how you feel about her. Stop.
She's coming.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you?
Okay. What can I offer you?
Okay. First off, can you spare a minute of your time?
What?
Okay, actually he's my cousin. He said he likes you and he would like to tell you how he feels about you. So, over to you.
What's the meaning of this nonsense? Am I here to joke?
I'm actually, I just wanted to.
Do you think I'm joking here? Time waste.
Can you imagine they go do ordinary bag here?
Ordinary what did you expect? Huh? In a local bar like this, were you expecting to see a Virgin Mary?
Okay, so you are in support of her talking to me like this?
No. Plenty men in this village, plenty of them want the same thing you want from her. So the girl is trying to protect herself. But you the dog.
No, I don't like this. You know what?
I just like her.
You like her? Because she's being rude, you like her now?
I like her attitude.
You know what? Let's leave this place.
Leave where? We just go here. We just go here. We've not even relaxed. I want us to leave. We've not even ordered anything yet.
So you want us to stay here?
I like the environment. See, I like what I'm seeing.
Listen, like I told you, I've lost appetite for everything. Let's just leave this place. Let's go.
Okay, go. I'll spend some time here before.
Ozom, I don't want to go. Okay, fine. I will leave if you don't want to stay here. If you want to stay,
go. If you want to go. What's it? Please. Hello. Can you get me palm wine, please? Don't say, come back here now. Don't say.
See, I don't really like this thing. I don't like this thing. Come, let's go.
Come, let's go.
Let's go. Let's leave this place. We'll go to another. Which palm wine? Let's go. Get palm wine from another location. Uzoma, let's go.
Oh my God, my world has crumbled. My day has turned to darkness. My life has cut short.
Ogawale, what is it?
Relax. I don't know what you have done to me. If I close my eyes, I see you. If I open my eyes, I see you. Look, Amaleka, I am crazy about you. Big one.
Ogawale, what is all this?
Why are you talking like this now? What is the meaning of all this? Why are you behaving like a baby? You're supposed to be mature. You're supposed to understand that I have feelings for you.
Ogawale, I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about. Eh? You think I've not been seeing the way you've been, flirting with our male customers here? Eh? You've decided to play away instead of playing home. I am here with you. Why are you looking outside? What usual is all this one?
Really?
I'm here for you now. Yes, now.
Really?
Yes, now.
Ogawale, you are talking nonsense. Why would you be telling me all this nonsense?
Don't you even try to say that. don't forget, is it because I'm talking to you? Don't forget I'm your boss.
So respect yourself. If you are tired, if you have any problem with me working here, fire me.
I cannot fire you. We die here. Nobody is firing anybody. Eh? Nobody is firing anybody. Relax. I will.
Did he touch you?
Mama, he tried to. But I warned him. He seemed to respect himself.
You see what I'm saying? Is it not better for you to accept somebody that will take good care of you and move on?
Mama, can we have a proper conversation like mother and daughter do? Eh?
What your boss wants is what every other man around you wants. They want this. That is what they want. Some people want it for keeps and pay so much for it. Others want to have it for free. Is it not better to go for someone that will appreciate it and pay handsomely for it than they go? Does it make sense?
Mama, can I enjoy you for once?
Are you not enjoying me now? Because I'm advising you. I'm not. I want to enjoy my mother.
Mama, I don't like this. Let me just have peace now. I don't like what you are doing.
Is marriage a cause?
This one is a cause. So
how?
This old man is a cause.
Okay, Toraya, I'll get more. Do you know how old he is?
I don't want to marry him.
Choco.
Wow, now.
Very fine though. I noticed these days you've always been one side. You don't just come out like the normal you. What's up with you?
Well, you know, my dad is not feeling fine now, so I decided to come spend some time here until he's back to his feet.
Yeah, that's true. I totally understand. Anyways, I just dropped by to remind you of the Umibe meeting.
Sunday, right?
Yes, on Sunday.
Ah.
So please just try possible best to attend this time.
Oh, definitely. I'll be there.
Awesome, I know you.
No, I'll be there, I'm serious.
I know you.
I will be there, I'm serious.
It's okay. No problem. So how is he doing?
He's getting better. Thank God for it.
Let me just run along.
No, I'll give you vitamin C now. I'll buy you casual.
Take it or you leave it. One man meat is another man poison. One man food is another man poison. If I not so good, so I'll be in a son, so if I not so good, so oh dear son, so
Amole, please give me a chance.
Ogamba, you know I'm busy. I'm at work right now.
I know, Amole. But I'm here just because of you. I'm really crazy about it.
What do you want from me?
Nothing, Amole, but your heart. I love you. I really love you, Amole.
Love? See, as you can see, I'm very busy. My Oga will soon come back.
Okay, wait, please. Give me your number so that I can call you when you are off duty. Please. Please, my baby.
Alright.
Thank you.
Take it or you leave it. One man meat is another man poison. One man food is another man poison. If I not so good, so I'll be in a son, so if I not so good, so oh dear son, so
Papa, everything is fine. Everything is fine, except for some of your customers who have been coming to look for you. Oh, yes. Oh, okay. Very good. Very, very good. Okay, Papa, I'll talk to you later. Alright. Hi, good afternoon.
Hi. Papa, is he around?
No. He's not around. I'm the one here.
Okay. I want to buy female parts.
Okay. I'm sorry. You work at Oga Wally's bar, right?
Yes. I've seen your face before.
Oh yes. The other day my friend wanted to talk to you and you reacted somehow. I guess you were not happy that day.
Oh, I remember. I hope my response did not hurt him because I was in a bad mood that very day. So I lashed out on him. When I came back to apologize, you guys had left.
Yeah. It's okay. It's fine.
Are you sure? So I have to take my leave.
Alright. Thank you for your patronage. Bye.
Welcome.
Take it or you leave it. One man meat is another man poison. One man food is another man poison. If I not so good so, I'll be a son your soul. If I not so good so, oh dear son your soul. Oh no. Okay, seberanyoku. Okay, seberanyoku. Anyaganda basiakana. Loving in bondage, loving in bondage, loving in bondage. Now my choice, yo. Loving in bondage.
You're not Oga Wally's regular customers.
I am not. I'm only here to see you.
You're here to see me?
Yes.
I'm touched. Thank you. But if you're not placing order or buying anything, you're not allowed to sit here.
I know. Can we go out sometime? I mean, you and I go somewhere and talk.
Talk about what?
Talk about life. Everything. I just want to talk to you.
Okay. I'll be off on Sunday.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Sunday then.
Okay.
Your number.
Oga.
What were you discussing with that man? Huh? It is as if you're not teaching them how to cook pepper soup.
Oga, he ordered, he was making some orders now.
So why did he leave? Oh yes!
Because we don't have what he wanted.
We don't have what he wanted. Everybody in this village know what we said. But now we don't have what this particular one wanted. Okay, what was that? What did he want? I am asking you, are you deaf or dumb now? I said, what did the man, what was he looking for?
Oga, do you know what? I quit. Yes, I quit. So I cannot talk to my customers again.
Onyekuru, that's it. There's no how you cannot talk to your customer. That's not what I mean. That's not what I mean.
So why are you complaining?
Because there is no one in this village that mean well for you. Yes. I don't want you to fall into their... You don't be their victim. That is why I want you to be careful.
So you do?
I do now.
Married man like you, eh? Married man like you, chasing me about. You have good intentions for me. Okay, you don't have any good intentions for me. You leave that
Must
thing.
you include this married?
Take it or you leave it. One man meat is another man poison. One man food is another man poison. If I not so good so, I'll be na sonyo so. If I not so good so, oh dear sonyo so. Oh no. Oge seberanyi oku, oge seberanyi oku, anyaga ndabazi akana oku. Love in bondage, love in bondage, love in bondage. Now my choice, yo. Love in bondage, love in bondage, love in bondage. Now my choice, yo. Love in bondage, love in bondage. I me and you together, love forever. Love in bondage, love in bondage. Me and...
Papa. Good afternoon, sir.
Dozier, my son.
Papa.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm very fine, Papa. How are you doing now?
I thank God, my son. You see, I am spending more time at home, just as the doctor has asked me to be doing.
That's very good to hear. Papa, is Uzoma around?
Uzoma, by this time, Uzoma has gone to the shop. Has gone to the shop.
To the shop?
Yes.
Oh, Papa, I just passed by the shop. I didn't see anyone there. And we are even supposed to attend our onmovies meeting together, so I don't know. The shop was locked, so I decided to come and check if he's here.
Is that so?
Yes, sir.
But he left this house this morning and he has not returned.
Okay, let's see. Okay, maybe he has gone. He has gone for the meeting, so let me just go and meet him up there.
Okay then, my son.
Papa, take care of yourself.
I will.
Bye-bye.
Take it or you leave it. One man meat is another man poison. One man food is another man poison. If I not so good so, I'll be na sonyo so. If I not so good so, oh dear sonyo so. Oh no.
What's up? Are you about leaving?
So finally you made it. You asked me to wait for you here and I've been here for a couple of hours. What kept you?
I totally forgot. I'm sorry. Let's go.
Go where?
Somewhere. Let's go.
Okay.
Ganyanga can't look around way out. Trouble, not come. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Get on and when they make a young one. But I will not leave me alone. Mother came back, Mother did not come back. Is it her business? How does that affect her? Eh? How does it affect her? Imagine. Eh? I was on my own, oh. Come. They said. Efes community. Gossip, somebody will not mind her business. Is to poke nose into someone that does not concern you, into somebody's business. Is it not my daughter? Is it her daughter? Nemboro, Anreka is my daughter. She is not your daughter. Whatever I do with her, whatever she does with her life, is not your business. Anybody can be the no. If you want to stay in your house and know what is happening in my house, you want to know you stay in your house and know what is happening in my daughter's life. Agadi Wenka, idiot. Don't talk about your daughter.
Take it or you leave it. One man meat is another man poison. One man food is another man poison.
Me too. Can we do this stuff sometime?
I'll think about it.
Would you?
Like I said, very nice person.
Oh, thank you. So, where is the house? Far from here, I wouldn't mind seeing you to your house.
No. I don't want my noisy neighbors to start gossiping with my name.
Okay, fine. It's alright. So, what do you think about next week?
I'll think about it.
Alright. Bye.
Take it or you leave it. One man meat is another man poison. One man food is another man poison. If it not so good, so Aburiana Sonya, so if it not so good, so oh dear Sonya.
Mama, good afternoon. Isn't today supposed to be your off day? Where did you go? Where are you coming from?
Mama, I went to see a friend.
A friend? Male or female?
Mama, if you must know, male.
I must know. A male? Oh, Makana, why don't you invite him over to the house? Let me examine him, Mama.
Mama, you are too fast. I just met this guy.
No time is too early. Did I say something wrong? I said invite him over. Okay, you like the fact people are hanging around. Is it not better to do it with your mother? So that your mother will know whether the person is good for you or not.
Mama, okay, I will.
Okay, Chief Mba was here earlier. He brought us some food stuff and plenty of money. See what I'm saying? Is it not better to do it with somebody that take care of you? Only can they win a credit. It doesn't make sense.
Mama, when would that man stop?
Huh? Why would he stop when he's bringing goodies?
Mama, stop collecting money from him.
Come and hold my hand.
Stop collecting money from that man. I'm not going to marry him. That man is too old for me.
Do you know how old that man is?
Mama, I don't care.
It's because he suffered to make money. Do you know how old he is? Okay, Moria. You don't know when people suffer to make money. Even when they're enjoying the money, you can see that suffering they suffer, that hardship still on their faces. Because
stop. Mama, I don't want to marry him.
Leave me alone. Because I said he suffered before. That's why you're laughing. Mama, he's not suffering now, he has money.
Mama, I will not marry that man. If he like make you suffer 10 years, I will not marry him.
As if your opinion is needed in this matter.
Are you telling me Uzoma did not attend the meeting?
Papa, I didn't see him. I don't just understand. I'm still surprised.
Then where did he go to? Because he left this house since morning. Huh?
Papa, good evening.
Good evening.
Where are you coming from now?
Oh my goodness! Sorry, the meeting, right? I totally forgot. What was I thinking? God!
Eduze, I'm sorry. Okay, I know you're upset I did not attend the meeting, but it wasn't intentional. Okay? But what's the big deal about the meeting anyways.
Listen, I'm not upset about your absence. I'm only upset about the reason behind your absence. Because of that waitress, that witch.
Hey, don't call her names. Okay? Don't call her names. I know she's a little wild, but not too bad. She's a good girl.
Really? So you know all this with just one date?
Dozie, you said it yourself. You said she's one of the prettiest girls in this village. And she's indeed pretty. Both in and out. I saw it. I've seen it.
Wait, let me ask you something. Are you in love with her? Goodness, you are in love with her?
What if I am? What if I am?
Listen, let me tell you as my friend. I think that girl is a bad news for you. You're better off on your own.
What makes you a perfect judge of her character? You only met her once?
Well, because I know how crazy she can be. Okay, fine. I mean no harm. I'm just advising you as my own friend. So, if you think she's okay and perfect for you, go ahead. But don't say I didn't warn you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate. God bless you. Yes, you have advised me. You have warned me.
Awuneka, because now, just give me this thing I'm asking of you. I will give you anything you ask for in this life. I will take care of you.
Oga Wale, you're a married man. And I can never have anything to do with a married man. I suggest you should go home to your wife. And leave me alone.
Awuneka, because no, that's small. Just something. As I did now, I know the last though. I know the last. Just the cap like this. I enter, I come. Just the cap. I will just come down. I beg. Please. I just small now because
Oga Wale, how will your wife feel if she sees you doing all these things? You're embarrassing yourself and embarrassing your wife. Oga Wale.
Man is entitled to marry as much as women as he wants. Look, you have gotten me insane. I am crazy. Like that, I'm an idiot. If you call me idiot, I will answer with respect. I'm insane. Please just help me. Just make her small.
Okay, I've said that I don't have anything. I will never have anything to do with you.
I'm like a big one now. Biko, please.
Even though you are dying, I won't give you. I'm not giving you anything.
No, don't say that now. Konji can kill you. Wow. Konji ne boom mad.
Take it or you leave it. One man meat is another man poison.
What are you doing here?
Waiting for you. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
I called you all day.
I was busy all day.
I see. Can I walk you home?
Sure. But remember you're...
I know. I wouldn't get to your house.
Okay. Let's go.
After you. So how was your day?
When my father died, my mother struggled to feed us. It was not that easy for us.
I am sorry about your father. How's your mother? How's she faring?
She's fine. Just that she wants to send me to the highest bidder.
Wow.
Wow, yeah.
And here I am. I actually thought my story was worse. And that is why I want to create new stories with you.
So what exactly do you want from me?
I want you in my life. I am crazy about you, Angorika. What?
I wonder what about me makes men to lose their mind.
Neither do I. You know, ever since I set my eyes on you, I haven't been myself. Like, I think about you every day, every night. I am just so crazy about you.
So sweet of you.
Yes. So, why don't you want me to come to your house?
I want to be sure that you can face my mother.
We can give it a try.
Okay, maybe next time.
Yes. Next time.
Take it or you leave it. One man meat is another man poison. One man food is another man poison. If an answer the soul, I'll be an answer on your soul.
Why are you smiling all to yourself?
Mama, nothing.
Cannot deceive me. I see the broad smile on your face. Don't tell me Mba has given you money of recently and you're trying to think about it, dream about it, imagine it in your heart and you're smiling all to yourself.
Mama, must you spoil my mood? I have told you I don't have anything to do with this man. I have someone else.
Doesn't matter. Did he spoil anything?
Mama, so you want me to double date?
Who says double date? People marry man marries 2 wives. Is it because we don't marry 2 husbands? For as long as a man does not pay your bride price and put you in the house, you're ready to double date, triple date, 4 dates. Just have as many boyfriends, as many men in your life as possible. This guy you're talking about, you've been talking about him. You have refused to bring him home, let me meet him. Maybe you're not proud of him. But that dresses well, doles out money to us, that is proud to come to us anytime. You don't want to see him. It's that one that is hiding under the canopy that you want to see.
Mama, when the time comes, you will see him. I suggest you should stop entertaining Mba on my behalf. Because
don't worry about it. When you see him by yourself, you tell him in his face.
Mama, if I see him, I would.
Meanwhile, I have told him about your off-coming day. He'll be here to see you.
Mama, I give up.
Give in. It's better.
My God.
Is it that one his chemist shop is close to Achi Junction?
Yes, ma.
Hey! I thought his son is a medical doctor. Are you the one or do you have another sibling that is a doctor?
No, ma, I don't have any sibling, neither am I a doctor. I am not a doctor.
Angulika, is this the best you can do? I am so disappointed at you. But I'm okay. Mama,
what's the meaning of this? Why are you embarrassing my guest?
He's a guest. This one I'm looking at is a guest. I did not see any guests here. What I saw is one busu. One boss. One busu. That is what I saw. Idiot. You did not see elegant job. I did not see ego. When humans are sitting in the bush, will come and sit close to the person.
Don't mind my mother.
Is it? Don't mind me. But mind her. He shouldn't mind me, but mind you. Are you the owner of this house? Oga, what are you waiting for?
But you said you should bring husband.
Oh, shut up!
I just came back from the city.
Where is your car?
A student.
Take it or you leave it. One man meat is another man poison. One man food is another man poison. If an answer goes
Angurika.
Maisie,
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine.
You haven't called as you promised. What's happened?
Okay, I'll call you tomorrow. Yes, I'm sure. I'll call
Are
you
you sure?
I'm sure now. I'll call you tomorrow.
Mm.
Bye bye, Joe.
Okay, now take care.
Oh.
Yeah.
Who is he?
He's my customer.
Your customer, and he has your number.
Yes, you're my customer, and you also have my number.
Jesus. Is that what I am to you? A customer?
Baby, come on, stop this. Let's go. Don't tell me you are jealous.
Oh, no. Or I'm not jealous, just that
Oh, baby, stop. It's okay. Baby, stop now.
Why did you kiss me? Did you just kiss me now? Why? To pacify me or what? Okay, kiss me again. You want me to? Just kiss me again. No. Kiss. You have to kiss me like 3 times.
No one is an angel at all. No one is above mistakes at all.
Uzoma,
Papa?
my question is, where do you always lock the shop to?
Lock? I don't...
You don't what? Mama Vero has been here 3 times this week to know why the store is locked up. When I assume you to be there.
Papa, you of all people should know that Mama Vero talks too much. So you even listen to her. Papa, anytime you see that woman here, know that she misses you, not that she cares about the shop. No, she doesn't care about the shop. If you see her here, she wants to see you. She's here to see you.
Is that so?
Yes.
So why are you having low sales and high shortage?
Papa, we're having all this, we're experiencing all this because the economy is bad. You understand? Just like every other business. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. That's how it is.
I hope this bad time will soon be over.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. Papa, I need a lot of rest. I had a long day. Please, if you're done, let me take the book.
No. Okay. Just yesterday. Day before yesterday. Okay, look at even today, nothing.
I'd like to take you somewhere this weekend.
Also, I can't go anywhere this Sunday. My mother is very sick.
Oh, really? She's sick? How is she?
Not too good, but she'll be fine.
Alright. Okay. Take care of her. Maybe I'll see you next weekend.
Uzo, I need to go back to work. We'll talk later. Bye. Okay.
Wow. My baby. You look so beautiful.
I know what I prepared for you now.
Yes. Thank you very much.
So go and enjoy.
All right. Lead away.
Oh, if you're not so loving.
Great. I just wish they would be more united.
Well, I hope so too. But that's the reason why you need to always be present in our meetings.
I'll try.
Hey, that reminds me. I saw Angurika with one random man like that going out?
Which Angrica?
The Angrica you and I know now.
My Angrica.
Your Angrica?
You saw her where?
With another man going out. I didn't want to ask. I don't want to be inquisitive. So...
Listen, I'm not sure it was Angrica you saw because Angrica is taking care of her mother. Her mother is sick.
So you believe that?
That's what she told me. Why shouldn't I?
You know what? Let me just follow you to the shop. I think maybe you need to give me something to eat and clear my eyes.
Oh, yes.
Since you want to tell me that I'm not seeing.
You're not seeing well.
Okay.
Your eyes are bad.
You're insinuating I'm blind.
Baby, even the boy is a nyocha.
I'll get making an.
You know, sometimes to you, you're seeing, but
I must tell you, I know what I saw. I know what I saw.
You did not see anything.
Okay, I'm just telling you.
It can't stop me from loving you. It can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop.
Mama, oh, I'm back.
Yes, we are back.
No!
We are back.
Welcome.
Thank you.
I hope we took care of you.
Why not?
You could not do me any takeaway or something. Like something like point and kill. Or anondori. Eh?
Mama, don't worry. I'll give you something.
You can give me an ego. Oh, makano. Money first.
Yeah.
What are you doing here? Killjoy. Now that we are happy, you want to come and disrupt everything.
So this is your sick mother you're nursing, right? Mama, are you sick?
I am not sick. This is your father that is sick.
No, she told me you're sick.
It is your mother that is sick. Your generation, they are all sick. Do I look sick to you?
You lied to me.
Why are you stalking me? What is wrong with you?
Darling, is there any problem?
There is no problem. No single problem. Is this pocketless fool? This busu? You think it's like this?
Young man.
That's how they know rich man.
You better let the lady be.
Okay.
This is none of your business, old fool.
What?
She's not your business.
This lady here is my business.
Who is your business?
What did you just call me?
So you better mind yourself and scam.
Old fool. Is he older than you? Is it because you have baby face? Is he older than you?
Ask him.
Nambiko Nora no gum, don't mind him. Go, we don't need you. Pocketless idiot, bosu. See you. Neko. Go now. Go. Big man, no money, pocketless. I better go. Now for rubbish. Put the gate down. Think we care. Enjoy yourself,
Mama, don't mind him.
Do I have time with the people that do not have money?
I'll bring joy to this family.
I know. Thank you. Oh, you're happy, right? I told you we'll always be happy. Does it work anyway? Have you seen life like that? Money for hand, back for ground.
My baby, relax. I am here for you.
Uzoma, I hate to say that I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. At least now you know your place in our life.
Do I?
I don't get it. Don't tell me you're going to see her again.
Maybe.
For goodness sake, what is wrong with you? What in God's name is wrong with you?
Listen. Toze, you don't know this girl. I know her better than you. She might look cold and selfish, but beneath all of that, there is an angelic nature. You just need to understand this girl. I am serious.
Really? You can't just stop surprising me. I thought going to the university would teach you how to handle ladies.
What does that supposed to mean?
Okay, fine. I asked around about her. Her middle name is Keziah. Do you understand? So now, this is the main part I want you to listen to. When she's done, when she gets some cash from you, she will open up to you.
Forget that thing.
I should forget that thing.
The girl, the Angorika no dey like that. I've taken my time to study her. She's not like that. Okay, why hasn't she asked me to give her money now? Eh? I've not given her one kobo except my love for her.
Can you just listen to yourself? Can you just listen to what you're spilling from your mouth? No, listen to yourself now. Come on, man. I don't know you to be this kind of person.
Why you can't drink Panadol for my headache again?
Sorry.
No, wait now. Why you can't take am personal? Angorika, na my own. Love, na my own. Na me where they embarrass, not be you. You can't holler me join.
Just listen to yourself. Now, if you want my advice...
I don't want your advice. I don't want your advice at all. I beg you.
Uzoma? What is wrong with this guy? Uzoma?
Doctor, this time around my nails are not responsive when I'm walking.
What are you doing here?
Is it hard to greet an old friend?
My son, you haven't...
You lied to me.
You owe me an apology for stalking me.
Angry, what do you want?
For goodness sake, don't be like this. It has been ages. Where have you been?
Serious?
Yes. Where have you been?
Oh, I've been here.
Can you stop calling me? Stop calling me. Rubbish. Rubbish.
I guess that's one of your boyfriends.
It doesn't matter. I'm off today. Can we spend time together?
What's on your mind?
You don't... Nothing. Can we leave?
Leave to where?
Somewhere.
Okay, Mama Vero, I have to go somewhere now. See you some other time. About your knees. Get regular exercise. That's what you need.
Can we go?
The doctor. Hey. So you're asking me to go?
No, I am going somewhere. Just get some exercise, regular exercise.
No one is an angel at all. No one is above mistakes at all. It can't stop me from loving you. It can't stop me from loving.
If only you knew how much I've missed you in this past few days. Tell me, do you really care about me?
I just kissed you, didn't I?
Oh, that doesn't answer my question.
That's the problem with you. You're always asking me questions. Can't we enjoy this moment without too many questions?
Yet, I want to know, do you care about me?
I like you very much. And I love you. Just that I don't want us to rush things.
Okay. I understand. Yes. Can we see tomorrow?
Okay.
Alright. Tomorrow.
Can I have you? Okay. See you tomorrow.
This love is stronger, so don't judge by whatever.
Bia Uzoma, who is this girl that is distracting you of late?
So, Mama Vero was here to mouth off as usual?
Not Mama Vero. Dozier was here earlier.
Oh, that snitch.
Is that what you call him? Huh? Is that what you call him? What he did was what a concerned friend should do.
What's his business, Papa? Eh? Why is he always on my matter? Why is he always on my issue? Why can't he just shut his mouth and mind his business?
Why are you getting so worked up about this? Oh, you think you are still a young boy of yesterday? If that girl is good and you know you love her, why not bring her home and make her your wife? Eh?
Wherever you see, no one is an angel at all. No one is above mistakes at all. It can't stop me from loving you. It can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop me from loving you. It can't stop me from loving you. It can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop me from loving you.
Honestly, you cannot dance. Yes, I think I can do better than you. Do you want to try? You want to try?
Yeah,
I said I can do better than you.
Let's try.
Give me music.
Name
what? Don't worry. I'll dance for you some other time. Yes. I have a surprise for you.
You know I love surprises.
Okay, fine. First, I'll take you to my house because I want you to meet my father. Then, the surprise.
That means today is a day of surprises.
So, what do you think?
I'm fine with it. Let's go.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Yes, let's go.
Let's go. Come here.
You said your father is from where?
I don't know who my father is.
I see. And your mother?
She's from Boma kindred.
Boma's kindred?
Yes, Papa.
That's where my wife came from. You must know Achala's family.
Yes, I know. The stone thrown from my mother's family. Ukwan.
Uku's family?
Yes, Papa.
You see, Uku family and Achala, they are in good time. Hello. This is serious. My daughter. You are welcome. Hello. It's a small world though.
Oh yes, a small world indeed, Papa. This is for you. I can see both of you are bonding already.
My son, you can say that again. Do you know she came from the same place where your mother came from?
I know, Papa.
You do?
Yes. Now you've seen the reason I I love her and she's important to me.
Welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, Papa.
Welcome.
Let me go inside and have some rest.
Okay, Papa.
So that both of you will sit down and talk.
Rest well, Papa.
Hi.
Your father is a nice man.
Yeah, very nice.
So what's the surprise you mentioned earlier?
Do you want to see the surprise?
Yes, of course.
Are you sure you want to say it?
Come on, sit. Yes, I want to see it.
After the surprise, I'll say it.
Okay, if you say so.
Alright, close your eyes.
Why do you want me to close my eyes?
Close your eyes if you want to see the surprise.
Okay, I'm going to close it.
Are you sure your eyes are closed?
It's closed. I've closed my eyes.
Open it. Yes. Will you marry me? I want to spend the rest of my life with you, America. I love you.
Do you really love me that much?
Yes.
Are you sure that I'm capable of making you happy?
Yes.
Yes.
Wow. I'm glad you love it.
Love in bondage, love in bondage, love in bondage. Now my choice, yo. Love in bondage, love in bondage, love in bondage. Now my choice, yo. Love in bondage, love in bondage. And me and you together. This love is stronger, so don't judge by whatever you see. No one is an angel at all. No one is above mistakes at all. It can't stop me from loving you. It can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop me from loving you. It can't stop me from loving you. It can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop me from loving you.
What's the meaning of this?
Please let me be.
Not until you tell me why you had to pull that stunt with me. What was this nonsense for?
I don't want it to be like this. but I guess you deserve to know.
Okay, go ahead, explain.
I'm getting married.
We're getting married, right? You and I?
Mba proposed to me last week.
Who proposed to you? I don't understand.
Mba proposed to me last week. And I'm going to the city so we can plan our wedding.
It's a lie. You're joking. What? Why did you accept my ring? Why did you sleep with me?
I wanted to use it and compensate you. You know you're a nice person.
It can't stop me from loving you. It can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop me.
I have to start going.
From loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop me from loving you. It can't stop me from loving you. It can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, so oh dear, so oh no. Okay, seberanyoku. Okay, seberanyoku. Anyaganda baziakana. Loving in bondage, loving in bondage, loving in bondage. Now my choice, yo. Loving in bondage, loving in bondage, loving in bondage. Now my choice, yo. Loving in bondage, loving in bondage. And me and you together. This love is stronger, so don't judge by whatever you see. No one is an angel at all. No one is above mistakes at all. It can't stop me from loving you. It can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop me from loving you.
Everybody knows her as an akuna. Not even only her. She inherited it from her mother. That's not the kind of girl Dr. Uzoma should be associating with in the first place. So I suggest he leaves her at once.
Mama Vero, are you sure of what you are saying about this young lady? Because the lady that was here looked very nice. She looks very nice.
Bah, nice way. Somebody whose father has a shrewded identity of mystery. How can she be nice? I suggest he leaves her at once.
Papa, got good news.
Doctor, good morning.
What is good about the money? What is good about this morning?
What is it, please?
She left me. She rejected my offer for marriage and left.
Doc, you don't have to cry over that girl. She's a bad news in the first place.
I see you all are happy, all right? This is what you wanted, Papa. You're happy. It's fine.
He should be thanking God for helping him dodge the bullet.
Mama Vero, thank you for bringing this news to me. You can leave now. I will talk to him. I will try and talk to him.
Okay, no problem, Pa Okeze. But talk to him. Tell him to remove his mind totally from that girl.
Hey, help you, Mama Vero.
Listen, Uzoma. I'm really sorry about all that has happened. I feel somehow responsible for everything. Because, I mean, I took you there in the first place. But I don't know. I think I would say there's a reason for everything. At least she did you a favor by letting you go. Come on, man. I know turning you down will hurt you a lot, but you need to understand that you need to move on.
Dozie just lost that one thing that gives me happiness. There is something special about America. I mean, where do I start? How do I bring her back? Oh, God.
Uzoma, listen. You need to calm down and take it easy on yourself. I don't think she's worth you. Like, look at you. Look at you. It's just like you're dying. Come on, man. Come off it.
I don't even know. What's my offense? What happened? I just woke up. Like, I engaged her today. The next morning, she left the house. Just like that. No reason at all.
Calm down. Just like I told you, everything happens for a reason. Trust me. Okay?
Just allow me grief, please. Let me be. Papa, I have decided to return to school. Meanwhile, I'll have to get a part-time job that will enable me work while I study.
It's a good decision, my son.
Yes. First off, I will take a direct entry exam, which is in a few weeks. After the exam, I believe something good will definitely come out of it.
Very good. Well, who takes after the shop? You know, I can't be going there all the time.
Oh yes. I've actually made arrangement for someone that will be staying there. Yes. Dozie will be bringing a lady later today. She said she has worked in a pharmacy shop before. So she'll be the one to take care of the shop for now.
My son, do what you're supposed to do. And let me know what I will do for you.
Alright, Papa. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Love in bondage, love in bondage, love in bondage.
What's up? Hey!
My man.
Dozie, my man.
Afara.
Very fine. How you doing?
Very good, bro. Very good. You're welcome.
Please sit.
Hey. Also, this is the girl I told you about. Her name is Adeze.
Good afternoon, sir.
Adeze, meet my brother, my friend, Ozoma.
You're welcome. You don't need to call me sir, okay? My name is Uzoma.
Okay, sir.
Okay. she said sir. It's fine. My brother said you're this.
Yes, St. Teresa's Hospital.
Okay. And I hope he told you how much we're going to be paying you.
25,000.
Yeah. You just have to manage for now. I believe as time goes on, there'll be changes. There'll be changes.
It's fine.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Ozo.
Oh my God. So I'll see you later now.
Oh yeah, let me just leave you guys.
Yes. All right.
All right. Bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.
You're welcome once again. Let me show you.
So what's up now? We don't usually see you at this time of the day. What happened? You didn't go to shop?
Man, I can go to shop anytime I want. Yes, since that girl came, everything has been easier for me. Everything has been easier. I'm serious.
Wow. Then in that case, I think you should go for her. Yes.
Go for her how?
What is wrong with you? Why you are being childish? You know what I'm talking about.
No,
now.
I don't know. What are you talking about?
Like, ask her out, date her, you might go now.
Have you been drinking?
No, the last time I checked.
Wait. How do you expect me to start dating my staff?
Guy, relax. You're not the first, neither will you be the last person to do something with your staff. What is wrong with yourself?
Okay. I see. I have to go now before you put some silly ideas into my head.
You can call it silly idea, but just think about it. It's a good idea. Ozo. This guy.
Daisy, I have been meaning to ask you. Why do you always insist on waiting for me to finish up account before going home? I have told you, once it's 7 p.m., you're free to leave.
Uzo, I enjoy working home with you. Did you hear me?
Oh, sorry. Pardon.
I said I heard about your relationship with America.
I see. Lucy has been talking to you, right?
No, I knew her. We stayed in the same neighborhood.
I don't want to talk about that.
I can understand.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Well, I recently broke up. He was a doctor in the hospital I worked, and he was cheating on me with different nurses.
Oh. Now I see the reason you left the hospital.
Well, can put it that way though.
Can we go for a drink?
I would have loved to, but you've not been studying lately. So I think you need time to study more. So why don't you just take this time and study?
Alright. Maybe some other time.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Thank you. Well, why are you still here now? Go inside. Papa. Papa! Papa! Papa, please now, don't do this now, okay? Just wake up. Papa! Hey! Papa, please now. Papa, don't do this to me, please. Papa, please. Just do that. Hey! Papa!
Oh my God,
what you know, so?
my world has crumbled.
Hey,
my day has turned to nothingness.
Papa!
My life has gone short. All because I want to live like others.
Mama, this one, you take it twice a day, morning and night. While this one, 3 times a day, morning, afternoon and night.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Malecham. How is Dr. Uzoma?
He's fine. He's not around at the moment, but he'll be back in the night.
Okay, I will come back to see him. There's something I want to talk to him about. Yes.
Hope there is no problem.
No problem. I want to see him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Small.
Thank you.
Madam,
Malecham. Thank you.
Small.
Oh my God, my world has crumbled. My day has turned to nothingness. My life has got.
That is the kind of girl you should be going about with. Not that Jackie you'll be parading.
I've heard you, Mama Vero.
One thing is for you to hear. Another one is for you to do it. Please do something though. You know your father is no more. And it's up to you now to take off the family line. You're no longer a child.
I said I have heard you now. I've heard you. Thank you for the advice.
And Lauro, let me be going.
Bye-bye.
All because I want to live like others.
Babe!
What is it?
Woo!
You're so
Yes.
excited.
Wait, just guess.
Excited.
Yes, guess. But you just say something, guess.
I can't guess. Tell me.
I tell you?
Yes, please.
Okay. I just passed my entrance out.
Thank you. I'm so happy for you, God. Oh my God, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. You know what? Just lock here.
Okay.
We're going somewhere to have a drink.
Okay.
We need to celebrate.
Okay. Let me take the chairs aside. Where's she now? We are very excited.
You don't know how happy I am.
What can I offer you?
Angry.
Please, get us pepper soup and soft drinks. Okay, is that what you want? Yes, please. Are you okay?
Oh, yes. I'm fine.
You didn't know she was back?
You knew?
Yes. I told you we stayed in the same neighborhood. I just didn't mention it to you because I didn't want anything that would upset your recent happiness.
I see. It's fine.
Well, if you don't want us to stay here, we can go to other places.
No, I am fine. We don't have to leave for any reason.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine. We just placed our order. Pepe soup and soft drinks, right? Okay, Pepe.
Oh my God, my world has crumbled. My day has turned to darkness. My life has cut short.
How long have you been here?
I was waiting for you.
What happened to you?
I wish I was dead.
Tell me about it. How's your husband?
He's not my husband.
But you married him, didn't you?
I wish I was dead than married that beast.
What happened?
He was already married.
Is that it?
He deceived me.
It's not the end of the world. Yes. Life goes on.
That's not all.
What else?
I'm pregnant.
I won't be coming to the shop today, so you take care of things. If there's anything, just let me know.
Is everything alright?
Everything is fine. I'll talk to you when I come to the shop.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
What's the problem? I have to go and change for work.
You know you don't have to go back to that bar. Okay? You have to move in with me. I'll take care of you and the baby.
I don't want to be a burden to you. As for the baby, I'm going to abort it.
You will not. I am going to make sure you're taken care of. And the child.
I still have my pride.
At this point, I do not need you to talk about pride. I have sold mine as long as you're concerned. I just need you to move in with me. Okay? I promise to make sure everything falls in place. Just go get your things and come back.
It can't stop me from loving you. It can't stop me from loving you. If you
What's up? What's up, Marvel?
Hey, Jose Afana.
I should be the one asking you that. I mean, you've been scarce all this while.
For a good reason. For a good reason.
For a good reason.
Oh yes, for a good reason.
doing here?
She's back and back for good.
I don't understand. How about Daisy?
What about her, Daisy?
I don't get you. I thought you guys had something.
Well, not as serious as what I have with Angorika.
Like you can't just stop surprising me. You're just full of surprises these days. Like, what did this girl do to you? What kind of spell? Did you put it?
See, Edozie, no be juju, no be jazz, no be spell, okay? I love Angorika. And there is nothing anyone will say that will make me change my mind towards her. Yes.
Okay, no problem, but I just hope you know what you're doing.
I know what I'm doing.
Okay, fine. No problem. I rest my case.
Rest your case.
I will be on my way now.
Okay, I'll see you later.
I hope so, because if this lady's around, you don't just show your face anywhere at all.
Dozie, I said I will see you. I'll see you, bro.
Fine. All right, bye.
Bye. Bye-bye. Wait. What was that for?
I think you should know the kind of friend you keep.
What do you mean by that? Dozie is my cousin. He's not just a friend. And we've been together since childhood.
I suggest you know the kind of friends you keep. I don't like him.
You don't like him?
It can't stop me from loving you. It can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop me.
Who do we have here? What a surprise visit.
I have come to warn you to mind your business concerning Uzo and I.
And what is that supposed to mean?
So you want to pretend as if you don't know anything, Abi? I overheard you advising him to leave me and go for Ades, right? Apoya?
Yes, I did. Because he needs to stay away from you because you destroy his life. But he wouldn't listen to me.
Okay. Can you just leave Uzo and mind your business?
Just thank your stars I don't beat women. I would have given you a dirty slap that you live to regret all the days of your life. Now leave my compound.
Get that on and
I can leave!
Come, keep quiet. You will beat me. Try it now. There, just try it. You will just hate yourself this afternoon. Onyala, woman rapper, they called you.
So you have the effort to come to my compound and raise your voice at me. Can you imagine?
I've missed you.
How are you?
Good. I would have come to the house, but you insisted I don't. So, what have you been up to the last 1 week?
Angorika is back.
Oh,
yes, she's expecting a child, and I am going to be taking care of her.
is there something you're trying to tell me?
What do you think?
Well, I don't think this should affect our relationship. Relate.
Listen, Adeze. You're a nice person. You're hardworking. You're beautiful. And above all, you're intelligent. I think you need a man who's going to be devoted and dedicated to you.
So I need you.
I like you. I like you very well. But my heart belongs to another. Please.
It can't stop me from loving you. It can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop me from loving you.
My love, you're welcome.
Thank you. The provision you requested. Then I'll go back to the store to get the drugs. Anything else?
I want to ask you something.
Go ahead.
You know you once proposed to me. Do you still have such feelings for me? You know I'm already leaving your house.
Angry. Can we talk about this when you must have put to bed? Please. Okay? I have to run. See you later.
Snakes and toes. It can't stop me from loving you. It can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop me from loving you. It can't stop me from loving you. It can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop me from loving you. If you break...
How is she?
But madam, you're fine.
She just delivered?
Yeah.
Oh! This is good. Good news, yes.
Yeah, sure. You can go in and see her. The midwife is feeding the baby.
Okay, okay.
Alright, I need to rush to the pharmacy to get something.
Alright. Thank you so much for this. Thanks mean a lot. I am grateful. Okay? I'm grateful. Thank you so much.
Alright, let me rush down to the pharmacy.
Okay, so I can go in.
Sure, sure. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Me and you together, love forever, love in bondage, love in bondage. Me and you forever, love in bondage, love. Me and you forever, love. Me and you forever.
Thank you. This one you're here. Baby asleep?
I took her to my mother.
You did what? Why?
Baby, I don't want to be a burden to you. She's another man's child.
I wasn't complaining. Did I complain? Why would you do a thing like that? Why?
Babe, I wanted a fresh start for us. Baby, I want to make it up for all the hurt that I caused you. I want to help you. I can even help in your chemist shop. Baby, I want us to get married. I don't like the fact that you spend your time with that nurse. Baby, I love you.
But you have to promise me you'll always go to see her.
Baby, you sounded like her father. Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry the way... I'm sorry, I'm so sorry.
It's alright.
Babe, you deserve a treat. Can we go inside?
Okay, seberanyoku. Okay, seberanyoku. Anyaganda basiakanako. Love in bondage, love in bondage, love in bondage. Now my choice, yo. Love.
Good morning. Good morning. How can I help you?
Is it me you're asking that question? How can you help me? You cannot help me. Give me 5,000 from that yourselves.
Is Uzo aware of the money?
Wait. Are you trying to ask me questions or what? I said you should give me 5,000 and you're here asking me questions. Are you mad?
I just need to know if he's aware of the money.
One more word, one more questions from you. You regret asking me those nonsense questions of yours. I beg, be fast about it. Let me leave here.
It's not up to 5,000 naira.
It's not up to 5,000 naira. Let me see. Now give me. $4,500. Why are you giving me $4,500?
That's the only money in the shop now.
Only money in this shop? Are you sure it's the only money in this shop? Adeze, respect yourself. Respect yourself. I will manage it.
But is Uzo aware of this money?
You are mad.
Did you tell him about the money? What kind of chaos is this?
Food is another man poison. If I not so good so, Aburiana sonyo so. If I not so good so, oh dear sonyo so. Oh no. Oh, guess it be right. More than second. Love in bondage, love in bondage, love in bondage. Now my choice, yo. Love in bondage, love in bondage, love in bondage. Now my choice, yo. Love in bondage, love in bondage, love in bondage. And me and you together, love forever. Love in bondage, love in bondage. Me and you forever. Love in bondage, love. Me and you forever. Love, me and you forever. Okay, seberanyoku. Okay, seberanyoku. Anyaganda basiakanaku.
Where are you coming from?
What's that supposed to mean? Am I your slave? Am I your slave or what?
I only asked a question. Where are you coming from?
If you must know, Ogawale's shop.
With who?
Dozie, of course.
Angry. If you have any shred of decency in you, you would not, you will avoid my friend.
What's that supposed to mean?
All I'm saying is you shouldn't throw yourself at any man who stops you, who talks to you. It doesn't speak well of you. It doesn't.
And how is that your business? All you keep doing is, I will do this, I will do that, I will stay here, I will sleep like this. I am tired of it. I am tired.
You asked me to relieve the nurse of her job because you wanted to work with me. And since she left, you barely visit the shop.
How is it my fault? I don't like the way you operate though.
If you're willing, you will.
Please, I am not in the mood for all this.
All I ask is, do not disrespect me by going out with my friend. Please. Don't disrespect me.
In that case, I need to leave your house.
You need to do what?
Yes. I am tired of all this, your shenanigans. I am tired.
You're doing what?
I am leaving your house.
Okay, Sabaranyoku. Okay, Sabaranyoku. Anyaganda Basiakanapa. Love in bondage. Love in bondage. Love in bondage. Now my choice, yo. Love in bondage. Love in bondage.
See, listen, I'm very, very sorry about what happened. Okay, I didn't mean to. I think it's the devil's work. That girl seduced me. Believe me. Please, forgive me. Please. Listen, don't be angry. I know I'm your brother and I should believe me when I say that girl.
Listen, Doze. I have nothing against you. You did what you have to do. Okay? But I need you to stay away from me for now. I want to be on my own, please. I need to be on my own. Please.
Uzo, just listen. Okay, just listen to me. Just listen. Come on now. Come now.
Leave me alone.
Ah! Uzo, I'm still your brother.
Very good. Why do you want to set it off?
I actually have nothing else doing in this village aside the shop, so I want to go and focus on my studies.
That's good. What are you studying?
Medicine, sir.
Medicine?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. You know, I have a hospital and pharmacy in the city. I want to make this as a branch in this village.
That would be greatly appreciated, sir. But it would be after my studies.
It's okay. Everything will remain as we discussed.
Yes, sir.
Until you come to the city, we will finalize it.
All right, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I will send you the money tomorrow. I will send the money tomorrow. So,
Chief.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Have a seat.
Thanks.
Meet my daughter, Adeze. She's the one in charge of pharmacy department. And we also be in charge of renovating your former store to standard.
Adeze.
Well, I will leave you goods so that you can finalize the deal. Anything you need, you can call on me.
That's fine, Dad. So what's left?
My project defense.
Zo, I'm so proud of you.
I should be the one thanking you. You know, I wouldn't have gotten this far without you and your father's help.
Come on. Would have done it for anyone else. But I'm so happy it was you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That reminds me. You didn't tell me about your father.
Dad, I think he's the right man for this.
He is not experienced enough. Eh? Do you think he can handle this?
Dad, Uzo is smart. He's intelligent. And he has practical experience in this field. You've been complaining of not having capable hands to handle the affair when you're not around. This is it.
You know I have always been listening to you. Eh? I'm looking forward to you to make this work.
Dad, you don't have anything to worry about. Have I disappointed you before? It will work. Trust me.
What do you think?
It's so beautiful.
It's amazing, sir.
Very beautiful.
You deserve it.
This is just an appreciation for your commitment to the hospital so far.
Hi. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My dear, here you are. In as much as I like you as a person, I want you to know that I did all this because of the feelings my daughter have towards you.
And I can assure you, sir, that those feelings are mutual.
And I have these strong feelings also that you are the right person to take over the hospital when I'm gone.
Not anytime soon, I pray.
Yes. I know. Today, tomorrow, even 10 years to come, I can only be counting down the days. Look, you are still a young man full of life. You still have much to offer. But I want you to use your time well.
I will, sir. I will.
Very good.
So, you need to come to the bedroom. Come on to the bedroom. Dad, please. Come on to the bedroom.
But we are still discussing.
Dad,
I'll be right
please.
back,
Women and bedroom. It's okay.
You're still awake?
Yes. I was waiting for you so that we can have dinner.
That's so thoughtful of you, but you shouldn't have bothered.
Why are you rejecting my food?
I am not rejecting your food.
Babe, please, I want to make things right. I want to make it up to you. I want us to settle.
America, it's too late.
Why?
Maybe because I once loved you so much. Yeah.
See, I can't continue to go on like this. I can't. I am not a nun. See, if you want to love me, then I have to leave.
Where will you go to?
Anywhere. Somewhere far from you.
America, go to bed. Good night.
Love in bondage, love in bondage, love in bondage. Now my choice, yo. Love in bondage, love in bondage, love in bondage. Now my choice, yo. Love in bondage.
What is it?
Hey, please, I want to make
Hey, stop. You disgust me, Angorica. Honestly.
I disgust you.
Yes. You heard me.
Who the hell do you think you are? You have the effrontery to throw words at me. I remember how you wanted to die just because I turned you down. Eh? You bastard. Now I disgust you. Do you know what I think about you?
Go ahead.
I never loved you. Yes. I only used it because I was bored. I know that you were easily manipulated. I even slept with your friend.
I know. And you gossiped about me.
Yes.
You laughed at me.
I did.
It's no news to me. Yeah. Get out of my room. Please.
Sense truth.
Oge sebere anyị okwu, oge sebere anyị okwu, anyị aga ndabasi aka n'okwu. Love in bondage, love in bondage, love in bondage. Now my choice, yo. Love in bondage, love in bondage, love in bondage. Now my choice, yo. Love in bondage, love in bondage. And me and you together, love forever. Love in bondage, love in bondage. Me and you forever. Love in bondage, love. Me and you forever. Love, me and you forever.
Ma, the doctor will be with you shortly.
Are you the patient that wants to see me?
I just want something for fever.
I think you have to go for a lab test first. Alright?
I don't want to go for any lab test. Nothing is wrong with me.
You need it. You need it to help us.
I'm happy.
Listen, you have to go for the test. Nurse Joy, please come. Nurse Joy!
Yes, sir.
Kindly take her to the lab.
Okay.
Alright.
Can I help you?
What is it?
Sir, a patient has just been rushed into the emergency.
What's wrong with her?
She's HIV positive.
Okay. I'm sorry. It's okay.
I want you to promise me something.
What is it? Just say it. It's okay.
Promise me you're going to take care of my daughter.
Consider it done. It's alright.
Promise me you're going to give me a befitting burial.
Hey. You are not going to die. Okay? I'll take care of you. I'll make sure of that. Sorry. Alright.
This love is stronger. So don't judge by whatever you see.
Angry.
No one is an angel at all. No one is above mistakes at all. Imakwana, iti wagado bimo. It can't stop me from loving you. Ima wagado bimo. It can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop me from loving you. If you break my heart, it can't stop me from loving you. Ima wagado bimo. It can't stop me. My life has cut short. All because I want to live like others.
Papa, everything is fine. Everything is fine, except for some of your customers who have been coming to look for you. Oh, yes, yes. Oh, okay. Very good. Very, very good. Okay, Papa, I'll talk to you later. All right. Hi, good afternoon.
Hi. Papa, is he around?
No, he's not around. I'm the one here.
Okay. I want to buy female parts.
Okay. I'm sorry. You work at Oga Wally's bar, right?
Yes. I've seen your face before.
Oh, yes. The other day my friend wanted to talk to you and you reacted somehow. I guess you were not happy that day.
Oh, I remember. I hope my response did not hurt him because I was in a bad mood that very day. So I lashed out on him. When I came back to apologize, you guys had left.
Yeah. It's okay. It's fine.
Are you sure? So I have to take my leave.
All right. Thank you for your patronage. Bye.
Welcome.
Take it or you leave it. One man meat is another man poison. One man food is another man poison. Forgot. this love is stronger. So don't judge by whatever you see. No one is an angel at all. No one is a